Hello, this is the Week 5 menu app by Patrick Corcoran. This is the menu-driven application that we're creating using object-oriented programming. Mine is focusing on creating a discography for bands. We set this up using classes. I have a class for albums. I have a class for the band itself. And then I have the main menu class that kind of deals with the menu itself and all of the main functionality here. I also added the ability for the data that we enter into the menu and the arrays to be stored into local storage, so that when you finish running the menu app, the data is actually kept. And when you run it again, it'll actually be able to pull it and repopulate it into the arrays that we've already created. I have the code for that functionality is here. Store data parses everything that's currently in the menu arrays. Upon completion of it, it parses it, stores it into local data, and then when we reload the menu application, the repopulate function here will take the data that's in local storage and then reparse it so that it can go back into the arrays that the menu uses, so that you can, pull up band information that you've already saved, make changes to it, delete bands, what have you. The other functions in the class here are showing the main menu options, showing the band menu options, displaying all of the currently stored bands, creating a new band, viewing a band so that we can add albums to it, deleting a band, creating a new album, or deleting an album. Down here we have the main function call to start the whole thing. And I have also included some buttons on the HTML side to help display all the local storage on the page here. I have one that will erase all of the data in local storage, and I also have one to basically refresh the page so that you can launch back into the menu app, which we will do now. Let's see, here's my menu. We will create a new band. One of my favorite bands, Periphery, is a metal band. So if we want to view the band, index 0, and we'll create a new album. And then we'll add a second album. And let's add some more bands. I've got a nice little list going here, and we'll exit out of the menu. And looking over here on the Dev Tools, we can see under the Applications tab, I have a object here showing all of the information that was parsed out and saved. If we hit the Display Discography button, it will put them all on the HTML page here. Erase data will erase it all. I don't really want to do that yet. Let's pull the menu back up. And if I display all bands in the menu here, we can see that they are all still accounted for. And now we can add another one. Not a full band name, but for the sake of brevity, there it is added. That's index 5. Where it's exit out, we can see that it was added to the list in local storage. It shows at the bottom here as well in the HTML. And we can easily go back in and delete that band if we wish. Index 5. See if that's all gone now. Came off the local storage. All right. And really the last thing to show here is the erase all data. That takes all the data back out. Nothing new to show. And everything's wiped clean. Thank you very much.